Let me ask you something. If AI is replacing so many jobs right now, then which jobs will actually make you rich in 2025? Most people think AI is taking opportunities away, but the truth is the complete opposite. AI is creating new high-paying jobs every single month's jobs no one even knew existed just 2 years ago. The biggest shift in the job market in our lifetime is happening right now, and you're here at the perfect time to take advantage of it. So today, I'm giving you a countdown of the 5 AI jobs that will make people rich in 2025. Even if you have zero experience, I'm not talking about coding or needing a computer science degree. These are skills you can learn in a weekend. And job number 1 is something almost no one is talking about, but businesses are desperately looking for people who can do it. Stick around, because you won't want to miss that one. Let's kick things off with job number 5, the AI content researcher. Here's something surprising. Companies don't just need content. What they really need are content ideas. The problem is, AI tools have flooded the internet with so much information that finding a unique, winning idea is like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. It's overwhelming for business owners and content creators. They have a million other things to do. That's why one of the fastest growing and most needed jobs right now is the AI content researcher. As a researcher, you're not writing the blog posts or editing the videos. Your one and only job is to find the gold. You use a suite of powerful AI tools like Perplexity, ChatGPT, and Claude, combined with classic tools like Google Trends, to uncover untapped topics, low-competition keywords, and fresh content angles that no one else is talking about. You become the strategic brain behind a company's content machine. Think about it. A business might spend thousands on a video, but if the idea is bad, it's all wasted. You're the one who prevents that from happening. You simply provide the research, the data, and the strategy. On platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, beginners are already charging $15 to $25 an hour for this exact service. And the crazy part? The AI does about 70% of the heavy lifting for you. You just need to know how to ask the right questions and connect the dots. Coming in at number 4 is a job that honestly shocked me because I didn't expect people to make actual money from it, let alone a full-time income. I'm talking about the AI thumbnail specialist. For anyone who's not on YouTube, a thumbnail is that little preview image you click on before a video starts. And it's arguably the most important part of a video's success. You could have the best video in the world, but if the thumbnail is bad, nobody clicks and nobody watches. AI thumbnail specialists use incredible new tools like Kittl, Leonardo AI, Midjourney, and Canva's AI features to create eye-catching thumbnails that get an incredibly high click-through rate, or CTR. YouTubers, especially the big ones, pay really, really well for these. Why? Because they understand the math. A better thumbnail can mean the difference between 10,000 views and 100,000 views. That's a huge difference in ad revenue and brand growth. Even beginners are charging $10 to $20 per thumbnail. And they can often create one in less than 30 minutes thanks to AI top designers. They're charging $50 to $150 for a single image. Let that sink in. A single image, YouTuber might order 3 or 4 variations for one video just to test which one performs best. So yes, this is a very real job now, and the demand is only growing as more people start creating content. AI has made professional-level design accessible to everyone. Alright, number 3 is a job you've probably seen the effects of without even realizing it. The AI Automation Builder. Businesses, from small one-person shops to large corporations, want to automate everything. I'm not talking about complex coding or programming. We're talking about simple, everyday automations that save time and money. Think about the repetitive tasks that eat up hours every day: sending emails, generating invoices, updating spreadsheets, managing customer data. Using no-code tools like Zapier, Make.com, Tally Forms, and even the AI features now built into Google Sheets, you can become an automation builder. Your job is to connect different apps together so that tasks happen automatically, like a digital Rube Goldberg machine. For example, a customer fills out a form on a website. This can automatically trigger an invoice to be sent, a welcome email to be delivered, a project file to be generated in Google Drive, and all of that customer's data to be saved neatly in a spreadsheet. This entire sequence can happen in seconds with zero human intervention. This kind of workflow used to require expensive developers and weeks of work. But now, AI-powered tools do the coding part for you behind the scenes. All you need to do is drag, drop, and connect the dots. On freelance sites, even beginners are earning $25 to $50 an hour setting up these simple automations for businesses who are more than happy to pay for the time they save. The demand is absolutely huge because every business has bottlenecks they want to fix. Now we're getting to the big guns. At number 2, we have the AI Website Builder. This is where AI starts to get a little scary in its power, because building a professional website no longer takes days or weeks. It can literally take minutes. Powerful new AI tools like Durable and Framer AI can generate a complete custom business website in under 60 seconds. Not kidding. You type in the business name and industry, and it creates the home page, all the necessary pages, finds relevant images, writes all the marketing copy, and sets up the branding and layout. All of it done instantly. Now, you might be thinking, if it's that easy, why would anyone pay for it? The answer is simple. Most business owners don't have the time or desire to learn new tools. They're busy running their business. They just want a professional website, and they want it now. That's where you come in. You become the expert on these AI tools. People are leveraging this by selling AI-generated websites for $50 to $150, and sometimes much more. They can deliver a fully functional draft to a client in minutes.
Of course.
You'll spend a little time customizing it to the client's needs, but the bulk of the work is done. This business model is all about volume. Fast service plus incredibly high demand equals a very easy way to make money in 2025. And now, for the number 1 AI job that will make people rich in 2025. This is the game changer. The highest paid entry-level AI job right now is something most people don't even understand yet. The beginner-level prompt engineer. Let me be clear. You don't build the AI models. You don't need to know how to code. You absolutely do not need a technical degree from a fancy university. Your job is actually very simple in concept. You tell the AI exactly what to do. You are the director, and the AI is the actor. You create incredibly specific instructions or prompts for AI models like ChatGPT for text, Midjourney for images, or Runway ML for video. The better your prompts, the better the results businesses get from their AI tools. Bad prompt gets you generic, useless output. Great prompt gets you marketing gold. Companies are literally hiring people for roles that didn't exist a year ago. They need people to write ad copy prompts, create detailed image generation prompts, design entire workflow prompts for their teams, fix bad prompts that are getting poor results, and improve the outputs they get for their clients. This skill used to be a hidden nice-to-have, but in 2025, it's exploding into a core business function. We're already seeing beginners earn $20 to $40 an hour on freelance platforms just by writing and refining prompts for others. So here's the big truth. AI is not eliminating opportunities. It's simply shifting them. It's replacing old, repetitive jobs and creating brand new, more strategic ones in their place. And the best part is, these new jobs require zero traditional experience. They reward creativity, problem solving, and the willingness to learn. The only question is, are you early to this massive shift, or are you going to be late? Okay, so how do you actually start today? Here's a simple action plan. Step 1. Pick one job from this video. Don't try to learn all 5. Just pick the one that excites you the most. Step 2. Learn 1 or 2 key AI tools that support that job. Master them. Step 3. Create 3 sample projects to build a portfolio. For example, 3 thumbnails, 3 automation flows, or 3 researched content plans. Step 4. Upload those projects to a profile on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Step 5. Offer to do your first job for a massive discount, or even for free, in exchange for a great testimonial. Social proof is everything. And finally, Step 6. Once you have that proof, raise your prices and start marketing your service seriously. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial for any of these 5 jobs, tell me which one in the comments below. Your idea might just become my next video. This is Wealth Hustle, helping you stay ahead of the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.